In today's video, I will show you the most useful and newest features of Canva. Let's start. So let's go now to see other interesting and new features of Canva. One is the background remover tool. This actually changed my life and it made me save a lot of time in all the projects. Because previously you had to go outside of Canva and then remove the background and then go back and upload the picture. But now you can do all of this right within Canva itself and it takes literally 2 seconds. Let me show you. Let's go over to photos, or if you have your own picture, you can also upload it in the upload section. I'm gonna try to look for a nice picture of cats. Yeah, I know you might thinking I'm obsessed with cats, and actually it's true. I totally love them. Once that you choose your photo, you can access the background remover tool. Just go on Effects and then click on Background Remover. Then you actually just have to wait a few seconds, and as you can see, the background has been removed. This is the easiest possible way you can remove a background from any pictures. Another very interesting thing about Canva is that you can edit a picture right within Canva. You can upload your picture or choose any picture of Canva, and then you can, for example, apply a filter. Just click on Filter, and then you can modify the shades and the color of the picture, obtaining the effects that you like. If you click on Adjust, you can alter the brightness, the contrast, add a blur effect, and many other features. You can then crop the image with the crop tool, and also you can flip it. A new interesting feature in Canva is that now you can schedule your post on the social media platforms right within Canva, while before you could just publish directly on the social media platform without planning the content. The functionality is available just to Canva Pro subscription, so not in the free version. And it's very convenient because you just have to set up the date, the time, choose one or more social media, write the caption, and all this without actually access to your social media page. The next feature I recommend is to save elements you use often and organize them in folders. This will save you a lot of time. All you have to do is to hover over the element and click on the 3 dots on the top. You can then search and select the folder among the ones you already created, or create a new folder. The last feature I want to talk about is the video and music. Since few months, Canva introduced the video, and just recently they also add the music. Just click on the video tab to see the videos. They are all organized into different categories, like other elements, and like in other elements of Canva, some are free and other you need to have the Pro subscription. If you click on one of the video, it will appear on your design. You can crop it, you can flip it, like any other image, and you can trim the video both from the start and from the end to select the part that you want. What I really like is that you can also add music to your video. Just click on the music tab, select the song you like, drag it and drop it onto the video. Now click on play. So this is all for today's video. I hope you enjoy it and you find it useful. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye!